Bandlab promotion can be very stressful and, at times, frustrating if you don't know what you're doing. You always see those same people on trending, and in some cases, you're thinking to yourself, I'm definitely making better music than that guy that's on trending. Why is he trending and I'm not? And that is why I'm here to show you exactly how the community does it. As you may have figured out by now, Bandlab doesn't really have a good algorithm system. Instead of their algorithm pushing your music out, they provide boosts which cost money, and in most cases, using those boosts does absolutely nothing to help you grow in the long run. A couple of follows, a few hundred plays on the track you worked hours, or even days on just to buy a boost and see very minimal results. Bruh. Well, that BS ends for you today, and here's how. Today, I'm going to be giving you the sauce. The Krabby Patty formula, the chef's kiss. So first, you will need to be making decent music. Captain Obvious, right? Well, when I say you need to make good music, it better be something you would listen to yourself. After you have become confident in your style, you need to find a band that does scheduled drops with at least 20 people in it. These bands are literally the Krabby Patty formula for getting you on trending. Upon joining one of these bands, they will ask that you are active and show support on all scheduled drops. You're probably wondering what a scheduled drop is. These bands give you a certain timestamp to drop your songs, and they will schedule it for you at whatever time you choose. They usually do 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. for scheduled drops. After they have scheduled you a drop time, they will give you a set of hashtags to use on your revision for when you drop. When the time comes for you to drop your song, make sure you're at least 10 minutes early because you need to create a whole new track revision. If your revision is like 3 days old, Bandlab will recognize that and choose not to push your song to the algorithm. When creating that revision, make sure you apply those hashtags to your revision. The next step is pretty simple. Drop the song. After you have made your song public, copy both your hashtags and your song link and send them to the band's chat. Repost your song with the hashtags as much as possible. The band will also start flooding over to your song, reposting it, commenting on it, and running your plays up. You will need at least 120 plays and 20 likes with a decent amount of comments in a short time period for Bandlab to pick up your track and throw you on trending. After that, keep reposting your song as much as possible, but don't spam it. Just make sure it's on your feed so people who follow you will see it too. Once you have done that, you're all set. If you can't find a band that will accept you, join my Discord server, link in description.